Banswara to be one of the most fashionable colleges of TU. Just one mirror here and none in the bathroom. Ironic? Let's find out what the JMC crowd has to say about it.
You must have noticed we don't have mirrors in our washroom. So what do you have to say about that?
Because I don't know.
I don't know. People say it's a convent college, but I don't think that's a good enough reason.
ये बताओ कहाँ जाएगा?
It's probably because girls will never move out of the washroom.
Yeah.
But somewhere we need it. It's a requirement. It's a girls' college.
Yeah.
हाँ वैसे
होना चाहिए ना.
At least girls को देखने के लिए.
Why you think girls need mirrors?
I guess because then we girls would be stuck in front of the mirror and not attending classes.
मेरा घर उधर भाई तेरे को शर्म आ रही है भाई उधर होगा तो लगेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा इधर जो ज़्यादा टाइम उधर वेस्ट करते हैं इधर से निकाले गए दो तीन
हम आपको इतनी देर से आवाज दे रहे थे
में था
आवाज
निकाल दिया.
There are reasons why the mirrors are not there.
why
Because people are not very hygienic about combing their hair. They were earlier and the problem I explained is what happened. And because of which they had to be removed.
So in a girls' college, it's like, yeah, we want a mirror there.
Why?
Why?
Because it's
We are girls.
we are girls.
We want mirror.
No, but
लेडीज में कौन से वाले
ladies में.
लेडीज में बाथरूम में कहीं जाऊँगा
किसी भी बाथरूम में नहीं है.
शीशे नहीं है यार वैसे होने चाहिए मेरा
it's really sad at times. Actually very sad. We don't go to the washroom. I don't.
So mirrors are important.
Like should be, if not for us, but there are many of our friends that really want to look into the mirror.
that is actually so that we can attend all our classes and we can be on time.
Yeah, I think we need mirrors in our bathrooms because, like, girls especially, they like to put on their makeup and stuff. Some of our teachers and even those presidents, they say that it's like it's easy to keep it, but the thing is that they didn't maintain it because like when we brush our hair, like all the hair gets stuck in the sink, and then there's a lot of problems because it gets long. So for that, they didn't put it, but like they said like they'll try to like how do I say to do it, more mirrors, not only in washroom but somewhere else.
Yeah, we should have mirrors in every washroom because if we have washroom in just one corner of the college, so it just becomes too crowded for the place, and we no one is able to see themselves.
कॉलेज वाला नहीं लगाया तो इसको लगानी चाहिए.
बाथरूम में शीशे का हमारा कोई काम नहीं है वो लेडीज़ का पता नहीं वो लगवा रहा है हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं शीशे
वो लग नहीं गया ये कंस्ट्रक्शन की वजह से टूट गया
In the washroom, yes, because obviously it's not comfortable. Though it's a girls' college, but I don't think so. There's any sense of not putting the mirror in the washroom.
There should be a mirror.
And why do you think we don't have mirrors?
Because sister don't want us to be there for more time.
We do comb our hair and a lot of thousand other things that we can only do in the washroom. And why should we do it in the corridor in front of everyone?
जेंट्स के वॉशरूम में नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ वहाँ पे भी होने चाहिए बाल लड़की के कॉलेज में जेंट्स अगर अच्छे न लेंगे तो कौन देखेगा उन्हें.
Actually, we have 3 mirrors for a reason, so that washroom is used for the washroom thing, not just the makeup thing.
Actually, I did not notice it at all. Well, I noticed it when somebody was talking about it. I noticed it very late when I came to college that यहाँ पे सही में mirrors नहीं है. Because I am not that person at all time looking in the mirror and you know.
Of course, mirrors are needed, but even if we do not have mirrors in college washrooms, it's okay. We find out a jugaad for ourselves. We have our phones. We can rather see it in the camera and then set our kajal up or set our koba up, set our hair up, or we can go to the parking, see in the car rear view mirrors, and that is it. But that's a very difficult way out, of course. That's not convenient. And who likes a difficult way out?
If you're in college, I suppose you're not here for all of that. You're here for education. Your primary motive should be education and not
to enhance your inner beauty, not
inner beauty and not your outer beauty.
And most of the people nowadays have cell phones, they have front cameras, and they have phones to just keep on checking, oh, how am I looking, is my selfie right?
होने चाहिए.
होने चाहिए. आपको जरूरत क्यों होनी चाहिए?
नहीं वैसे आप जाते हैं अपने
आप गए हो, आपको जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं हम नहीं गए.
आप नहीं गए तो आपको पता कैसे शीशे वानी है.
ये आपने बताया मैं तो इसलिए.
तो आपको लगता है होने चाहिए.
पहले सोचते तब शादीशुदा होने के बाद नहीं सोचते.
It's fine, but I think it's fine. See, I think it's fine.
Don't you think washrooms should have mirror? Because of course, I think one mirror to check stains and all from a hygiene point of view.
It's a girls' college, so I think there should be.
एंगल तुम्हारी गलत है यार, ये तो कार्ड ऐसे कट करो कंबल मार रही है.
At the end, I would like to say that everything has its own pros and cons. Where one thing can be very important for one particular person and the same thing can be least important for the other. So you just need to set your priorities and your needs up. That is it.